I'm basically a human-sized faded clementine, and I'm okay with that. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you've seen my other Em Cosmetics review videos, then this video won't be a surprise. Today I'm reviewing the new Divine Skies Eyeshadow Palette in Faded Clementine. And I might as well go over the other Faded Clementine products. Because why not? We're already obsessed. Can you tell I'm obsessed with Faded Clementine? I literally have every Em Cosmetics Faded Clementine product. And if they come out with more, hell yeah, I'm getting it. These colors look so pigmented, so if Magic Hour did not work on your skin tone, I would definitely look into this. Does anyone like eating clementines? I personally love them. I prefer them over oranges just because they're easier to eat and they're so cute and little. Let's get into the eyeshadow tutorial. I'm very new to the Divine Skies Eyeshadow Palette. Like, this will be my first time applying it and this will be my first impression. I did end up getting the other colorway, so if you guys do want to see that, let me know in the comments below. This cost $38 for 6 shades, 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. Ooh, this is really compact. I guess I didn't realize how small this is, but I prefer smaller palettes. They're just easier to travel with and also to store. Wow. I love the mirror. It's a really good size. These colors look so pretty. They look exactly like what's online. So they're orangey shades and berry shades. And the names of the shadows is on the back of the palette, so that's nice and convenient. Just by looking at this, my eyes are drawn to Sweet Memory. It's a really beautiful copper shade, like a gold copper. It's so pretty. For this tutorial, I'm going to be focusing on the orangey shades, so Nostalgia, Faded Clementine, and Sweet Memory. Starting off with Faded Clementine, it's the matte orange. I'm just going to apply a little bit and see how much it will blend out. You can really build this up if you want more pigment, or if you just want to wash, you can do that as well. Faded Clementine is so pretty. I'm literally obsessed and just how easy it is to build. So you can go lighter or you can choose to go heavier. This is not as intimidating. Like, it just looks so nice on my skin tone. And it might be because I do have yellow undertones. It's just a really great transition color. Using the same color, I'm going to do my lower lash line. Look how orange you can get it. This, I really packed it on, versus this, it's more diffused and blended. Next, I'm going in with Nostalgia. This is like a deeper copper color. I'm going to focus it on the outer edge. Usually something like this, I would actually use my fingers, but I wanted something a little more diffused. The colors work so well together. They just blend with one another so beautifully. And then for the center of my lids and the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Sweet Memory, and I'm just going to be using my fingers. I'm just going to press it on, and then back with the blending brush. I want up here to be a little more diffused. I'm going to do a small wing. I'm using the illustrative eyeliner. If you guys want to know my opinions on this, make sure to check out this video. And this one is in the brown shade. Eyes are done, and this eye look is so pretty. The only thing that this is missing is an inner corner highlight. There's nothing light enough in my opinion. Even Sweet Moment, I wouldn't use that as an inner corner, but I don't always do an inner corner highlight, so that doesn't really bother me. Let's talk about the other Faded Clementine products. This is Heaven's Glow. This is like a blush highlighter bronzer combination. This is honestly my favorite Em Cosmetics product. It is so beautiful, and when you look at it on the pan, it looks quite dark, but once you apply it on the skin, it looks so effortless. You don't even need any highlighter. I wore this all the time throughout the summer, and it's just so pretty. And I like to just bring it up a little bit. This is what it looks like on one side. How beautiful is that? It gives such a beautiful glow, and you don't even need to apply too much on, so this should last you quite a while. Obviously, I have all of the lip products in Faded Clementine because I just couldn't help it. This is my first time trying out the lip cushion. This is $22. I'm pretty sure I'm going to like this since I love the other two. So you just twist it up to get some product. I'm only going to twist it once. I'm gonna try tapping it, see how that looks. Wow, this feels like nothing on the lips. It feels so smooth and there's no fragrance to it. So this is what it looks like. It just gives a wash of color, but I did only tap it in and blend it with my fingers. So let's try actually applying it in a full motion to see how dark we can get it. Wow. Look how pigmented that is. Wow, I really look orange now. Definitely more glossy once you apply more. Since this is so soft, it does get messy, as you guys can see. That's the only thing. Besides that, it's really pretty. It feels nice on the lips, not sticky at all. The True Gloss is $20. This one is my personal favorite. I was wearing this throughout the summer and fall. This one's my personal favorite because it feels so lightweight. It makes my lips look so glowy and juicy. And if you don't want to do a full swipe, which is what I did, I always like just tapping it in. That's what I like doing during the summer since I'm wearing less makeup. But this is so pretty. Em Cosmetics really nails it on their lip products. I think that's where they excel. Their lip products are so good. And the last product is the Infinite Lip Cloud for $20. This one is a mini version. I actually got it for free. I don't think I would have purchased it since I do have the gloss, but their liquid lips are pretty amazing. Look how smooth that looks. And I have dry patches on my lips, so if you prefer a matte but a comfortable matte, I would definitely get this one. Now it isn't transfer proof, so you will get it on your drink, so if you kiss someone, there will be some transferring going on, but overall the color stays on really well. If you are only able to get one and you're not getting all three, which I completely understand, or maybe you are getting all three because you love Faded Clementine so much, I would say this: if I can only choose one, I would personally choose the True Gloss, only because I can have it like a full pigment like the liquid lipstick, or I can have it a little more faded like the lip cushion. So to me, this is kind of like best of both worlds. It kind of just fits right in between. But you and I know you're gonna be getting one of these. It's just, which one do you want? I went back with the lip cushion since I wanted something a little more subdued, and since the eyes are making the statement and I don't want it to be too orangey, I think this is a really great combination. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression / eyeshadow tutorial. If you guys want to see me do a eyeshadow tutorial on the barrier shades, or just a combination of all of them, maybe something a little bit deeper and moody, let me know in the comments below because I could totally do that. And also let me know, which one did you end up getting, or did you just buy everything like me because you're obsessed with Faded Clementine? And if you're interested in seeing my other Em Cosmetics reviews, I'll leave the video right here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!